It might be 10 minutes, it might be a half hour before they...
An hour, yeah, whatever. So I brought my camera. This is a 360 camera.
Okay.
So I do everything. I was thinking I almost should have brought, I do little handout things. Sometimes some of the different videos I do just so people can see them. How do you connect to it, you know? That kind of stuff. I did one out at the White Pass out in Alaska, whatever.
Oh, nice little... Right. My younger sister rode out there, but I've never been into Alaska. So, hey, Chris.
Yeah.
The winner from the benefit
Yeah.
cab ride winner
Yeah.
is this gentleman here. This is Chris Chasen.
I reckon he's wondering if he can have a cab ride.
Yes.
I suppose.
And so I just, you know, I have no idea what you guys' schedule is, but I'll let you guys work it out.
Yeah. We seem to be going pretty quickly, so stick around, and when we're ready to go, we'll give you a call.
Sounds good. Hey, Joey. Hey, how you doing? What's up? Really? In there of all places? Huh. Yeah. Gentlemen, yeah, I heard about it. Thank you, sir. Yeah. Good job.
Howdy.
But, well, this is Joey.
Hi, Joey.
And, so he's a school teacher and he's a lawyer. So, you know.
Okay.
And,
I was a mechanical engineer. You know, I design machinery or whatever. So that's
we could use a mechanical engineer in a steam shop.
yeah. It's like, kind of like, okay, then kind of right as COVID was hitting, and I was like, yeah, I could just be lazy too, you know.
But, well, you know, it's not the cleanest environment up there, so, you know.
Yeah.
But we got wash your hands afterwards and that. So, you're in good hands with these two, so enjoy your ride. And thanks for coming to the benefit.
Oh, I love it. Yeah, we're probably going to go get in this year again.
Excellent. The tickets are available now, so no, we appreciate your help, your support, and hope you enjoy your cab ride, and you know, just they'll tell you where to stand and
keep you out of trouble.
Keep you out of trouble. You know, he might even offer you the shovel. You know, and, so you know. But Chris, take care. Joey, take care of you, and then so. And, you know, wife get a picture with the crew when you get done, or you know, real quick.
So you guys want to ride the Bible?
Phil,
All right.
I'll leave you to it.
All right. Thank you.
Enjoy your ride in the caboose.
Yeah, I'm not going.
Sure.
Yeah.
Well, thanks. Take care of him. And, we'll go back and continue my paint job on the flat car.
Every weekend that it was running, the steam, it's like, okay, we're out of town here, we're on vacation here,
Oh yeah. So the cab ride's good until you take it. You know, so it's I'm glad that you can make it today and everything. So
the grandkids almost came with, but they pulled out at the last minute. But they love this place, but they're far away, they're up in Niles Lumber.
oh, that's not bad.
Well, yeah, but
Of course, I'm a professional driver. I live in east of Cleveland, so but no, enjoy, and I don't know, you might want to grab a seat.
yeah. Okay.
And the caboose is probably already full, but you should be able to get in the coach. So, but,
See ya. Have fun.
you got water, Joey?
Chris is getting some. Here, I'm going to wander back by just around this little bit here. Yep. Shay. I'm okay. I'm just tired. Well, I'll be fine. I'm not that worried about it. I mean, worst case, right, if I'm really sick, Kyle, Christian, there's fire.
Oh yeah, there's Blake, there's guys here, so.
Yeah, I'm not concerned.
So, okay, well, I will talk to you later. Thanks for doing the cab ride. Yeah.
I'll be around.
All right, enjoy. We'll
All right,
see you later.
thank you. See you later. Yep, yep.
Thank you. Bring him up there so how everything works. Sounds good. Come on up. So for this trip, you'll probably be standing over here behind Chris.
Okay.
So all of the engineer's controls are on this side. Johnson bar, forward, reverse, throttle, train brake, engine brake, hydrostatic lubricator for the cylinders and the air compressor, injector, mechanical lubricator, pressure gauge, water glasses. It looks all super complicated, and then you kind of figure out what it all is, and it starts making more sense.
Yeah. Once you make sense of it, how you do it, and that kind of thing. So.
You know, we always tell new guys, just like, you know, you want to know what something is, just price the pipe. You know, where does it go?
I was a mechanical engineer.
Sure. So yeah,
you machinery worked on a lot of ball molding machines and something like that. But I think it was different fluids were always, important, that kind of stuff. But
absolutely.
I just heard somewhere there someone they said that it was about engines and that kind of thing. And steam engines were only like 3% efficient.
Yeah.
You know, they really looked and say, okay, and where do they kind of go? Hey, what do we do to get more efficiency? And
yeah. So, yeah, really, unfortunately, there's just a whole heck of a lot of waste.
If we don't cut it really relatively new,
yeah.
We
in the grand scheme of things, yeah.
Grand scheme of things, so we harness this kind of power, it's I'm a big highly techie type of thing. The technology is changing quickly, it's
Chris, you want to tag it? How are things? Dude, whatever this cold I have that I'm getting is kicking my butt. Okay. Like, I'm fine. I'm just, like, more worn out than I should be after,
If you're about to, keel over, let me know. But
I mean, there's enough firemen here today if worse comes to worse.
yeah, get Kyle, he's here. Or get Kyle on the back of the train and get me up here.
I mean, I see no reason why I shouldn't be able to finish it out, but just gotta keep an eye on it,
Oh yeah, Chris is here too.
Yeah.
You're good.
I'm not too concerned. You shouldn't get anywhere near it, but just for the sake of
Short reminder, good safety guys. Yeah, so I hope you don't mind me recording.
no, go right ahead.
360 camera, so it does work for everything and that kind of stuff.
Fine by me.
So I have fun with that, like I said, you just let it tape and that kind of thing.
Oh,
And
yeah.
then later on, you get to pick
Go
and
watch
choose
it
kind
and-
of where you're focusing and that kind of thing.
Absolutely.
So it does everything, so then you can stick it outside the window. I was just up in Alaska, we took the White Pass Railroad up there, and there I got about an hour's worth of video with different times and stuff. One of those things I'll be able to go back and visit it for decades to come,
Right.
kind of thing. So it's
Yeah,
like
that's awesome.
it's a fleeting memory of.
I'm gonna sit in the shade for a minute.
Yeah, good. Hey, what kind of forever fans? Here we are in the Shay, number 5, over at the Illinois Railroad Meet. Phone for a cab ride.
I've pretty much made my mind up. I'm just taking one day off at this point, so. It's pretty cool seeing 614. Yeah, the SDP on that train. Yeah. I mean, honestly, like of everything we got this summer, if that SDP goes back to early Amtrak, that's going to be just about the coolest people out there. Like, if I had money, some of it would be going to Jamie for that right now. And once we get rolling, if you just stand behind Chris, then I have room to fire. So.
Okay.
doing up here, how things work? Yeah, I could. I could ask you more. Train brake, locomotive brake. Those are my brake cases. Draining water from the bottom to get all the mud and sediment that settles out. Oh, okay. So the brake pipe is kept at 90 pounds, and when I'm moving this, what I'm doing is I'm reducing the brake pipe, which applies the brakes on the car. Okay? So there I released my brake, and you can see it bounces back up to 90. The red needle here, 115, that's my main reservoir. So that's the air coming off the compressor. So this is just the locomotive brake. So you can see my brake cylinder pressure there drop. Okay. And then I'm going to start taking just a little bit of steam. That whistling is the steam going through the superheaters. Okay. So I'm just going to kind of patiently let it build up. Bring in the clock. Oh, that freezes up. back to the station. You okay with it? For now? That's the compressor, right? Yeah, so it's getting mechanical. Yeah. So.
signal?
Clear, clear. We'll be here a while. Copy.
That's the signal?
Clear, clear. We'll be here a while.
If I was better at this, it wouldn't be a problem. You know, unfortunately.
That's a fun view of the Zephyr coming. I don't know if I've seen it much like that. You know,
You wanna, yeah, you want to
Oh, yeah,
camera
yeah,
from
yeah,
that
yeah.
side, feel free.
I know you gotta go check that, but can you watch it for a minute if I run
Yeah.
back?
All right, thank you. Hey,
Thank you.
Thank you.
Put these on the firewood seat box?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah.
So that's the steam locomotive.
Yeah, it was good. It's fun. Yep. It's always fun. They're interesting to see all the different mechanisms and think of how what they had to do and the different places and the other.
Yep.
I said the drain hoses and bleed off hoses and pressure gauges. It's amazing how it's progressed. Different things progressed.
So you're saying you're a mechanical engineer?
I'm a mechanical engineer. Yeah. I did work on building a lot of automation and machinery. So that's what
Okay.
I just get amazed. I think like this. Everything's mechanical. Everything's mechanical. There's no electrical. Then you get into the electrical. You know, I started my career. A photo eye was a simple on-off switch. And now the intelligence,
The logic system.
it's just outstanding. That kind of thing. It's just, nope, I gotta go in the picture. I'll be around, take some pictures.
Okay.
I'll send Jeff a link to some of those things, all right? Yep. Go back up a little. Yep.
Mind the coal.
Yep. Yep. Yeah, poor slippery.
Yeah.
Hold on. Are you supposed to give them these back? What?
No, not necessarily.
Okay. Did you hurt yourself?
No, I didn't.
Look at your arm. No. It's filthy. It's completely black.
Whole floor covered with coal. Need anything?
You want to watch it for a minute? Sure. Here, let's get a picture for the top.
Okay.
You can stand here.